Animal husbandry. Animal husbandry is the practice which involves the scientific management of animal livestock. Special care is taken regarding their feeding, breeding, cleanliness and disease control. Various animal products are used as food, milk, and other commercial reasons. Like any other farming practice, the production and management of livestock need definite planning for proper feeding of animals, proper shelter for animals, proper breeding of animals, prevention and cure of animal diseases, proper utilization of resources for better economic growth of farmers. Need for animal husbandry. To ensure proper supply of milk, meat, eggs, etc., there is an urgent need for improving the livestock. Various tools and techniques have been developed by animal husbandry for improving the livestock to increase the milk production, increase egg production, increase meat production, increase fish production, increase wool production, increase the working efficiency of domestic animals, make proper use of animal waste. For example, dung is nowadays used to generate biogas fuel as well as for making it more useful manure. Advantages of animal husbandry. The study of animal husbandry is very useful for the economy of a country. It helps in the following ways. It helps us in the proper management of domestic animals in terms of shelter, feeding, care, and protection against diseases. It provides us various methods to produce good and high-yielding breeds of domestic animals. For example, high milk-yielding cows has increased the milk production tremendously. Keeping, tending, and sale of animal products provides gainful employment to a large number of persons. Animal wastes are used for replenishing and enriching the fertility of soil. Increased yield in animal husbandry brings more income to the farmers.